We just took over Auntie Tay's channel and we'll show you how we did it right now. What is up? Welcome back. Do you like to do it, build it, or make it? Great, that's what we do here. But this week, here is an Auntie Tay channel takeover. Boom!
It's too much.
Too much?
This week, we're making a DIY cake stand using Auntie Tay's chalk paints in Rain and Blanco and Auntie Tay's SVG files, which we'll use to make our stencil. You can purchase any of these products at shopauntietay.com and you can use our coupon code KNGMakeIt for a discount.
Step 1, gather all your supplies. We picked up a 15-inch round board from Lowe's for $8. And then we got these little candlestick holders from Hobby Lobby for $2. And we're gonna glue those to that. Step 2, glue your little feet on your little board. We're gonna set this on here while the feet dry.
It's not on.
Not on, just using it as a weight.
Okay, so while our feet are drying, we're gonna go ahead and cut our stencil. Okay, we have our stencil all cut.
Looking good.
We just need to add our transfer tape.
I got you covered.
Which Garrett has prepared. You don't want it too sticky?
Don't want it too sticky. So I put it on my shirt. It gets all wimpy.
Alright. Alright, you're just gonna eyeball this thing?
Yeah. Perfect.
Let me see.
It's perfect.
Let me see. 1, 2. 1, 2. Well, I mean, it is a 1/16 of an inch off. Wait a minute, right there. It needs to come up a little, I think. Okay. All right. Does that look right?
now we're like, when it's me, we're using the ruler. When it's you, we're just using finger knuckles. See how it is. I'll see how it is. We're down. It's
Oh my god! Oh my god! Finger knuckles.
Wait, why are we putting the stencil down?
Oh, I don't know.
Step 4! We're gonna paint the stand. We're gonna paint it Blanco?
No.
No, we're not painting it Blanco. All right, we're painting it Rain. It's gonna feel so rainy. Doesn't smell like rain.
It's a very pretty color.
Doop, doop. All right, meet you in the middle, babe. Slipped. Almost dry. Oh, it looks awesome now.
Yep, looks great.
Looks great. So what we got so far. Step 4. We're gonna add the stencil. Again, I feel like we've been through this. And we're down.
Okay, so before we paint our paint on our stencil, we're gonna first add a coat of Mod Podge so that the paint doesn't bleed through the grain of the wood. So we're gonna put that on, it dries clear. Once it's dry, we'll add the Blanco on top. All right, we let it dry. See if you can see what that looks like.
Looking good. Just a couple more of those. Now it's time to add the Blanco.
Our Mod Podge is dry. Just gonna paint the stencil.
Paint it like a pro.
Would you like me to do it?
Now what? You
All
pull
right.
it up now or wait till it dries?
Let's give it 1 minute to dry, just a tiny little bit, and then pull it up before it dries completely.
Alright, that's what we got so far. Alright, that's what we got. We're going to take it out and hit it with some clear coat to make sure it seals it. But otherwise,
Looks great.
Looks great, babe. Alright, we're going to go put a cake on this thing.
Good job.
Good job.
That thing is so cute. I love it. It looks great.
We'll get a cake.